mga ka-Activate, Joseph here, nagbabalik sa ating video. And today, dala ko ang gears ko. Nandito tayo sa Marikina. Bibisitahin natin si Kuya Nathaniel, founder ng Ruth Motorcycle Care Shop. And inasikaso na niya si road sector. So guys, nandito na tayo kila Kuya Nathan. And kukunin na natin sa road sector. Tao po! So guys, ito nagbabalik tayo with the founder of Ruth Motorcycle Care Shop, si Mr. Nathan Manuel. So sir, mga questions lang ako kasi parang unknown pa tong lugar na to sa motorcycle world, pero pansin ko ang ganda nung setup nyo. First time ko magpa-setup, and yung mga kasama ko na nagpa-custom sa inyo, ang ganda rin kinalabasan. So curious lang kami, when was your shop founded ba?
It was founded 2018. I think it was November of that year nung established ko yung shop. So basically, thank you that na-appreciate mo yung gawa namin. And basically kasi we just look after sa mga magazines, sa mga magaganda, and then we tweak it a little so that i-customize namin dun sa preference ng mga customer.
What inspired you to start Ruth Motorcycle Care Shop?
As far as I can remember, there are two things na naalala ko. Number one, naging fan ako ng motorcycle way back late 80s. I had the first chance to ride a Honda DMX. I was a high school student then. Walang license, walang helmet. It's not a good thing today kasi napakarami ng sasakyan. However, it was my first motorcycle ride. So from Marikina all the way to I think it's Robinson's Galleria, and then dun ko na feel na it was really a very good adventure para matandaan ko yun. It was like 20 years or more na tandaan ko yung ganong klaseng experience. So that's one thing. And then secondly, the Ruth Motorcycle Shop, as we know kasi yung ating industry ng transportation has been like excuse me for the word, but it's been like hell already pagdating sa mga traffics. And one of my church mates told me na very soon EDSA, it was announced before na yung EDSA will no longer accommodate a vehicle that has one person on it. So kailangan marami na. So I decided lalaki ang motorcycle industry. So I decided to open the shop. So that's how it all started. And of course, the route, marami kasi medyo nagtataka bakit route. Kasi maraming motorcycle dyan. Medyo manly. Well, it's found in the Bible, and Ruth is a caring person. So basically, we do care. So we share na lang yung aming caring sa mga motorcycle nila. So that's how I got the name Ruth Motorcycle Shop.
Ano naman yung mga specialties ng shop niyo?
Our specialties are basically the periodic maintenance. All the brands. We do big bikes as well. We tune them. Basically all the Japanese brands. With respect also for China brands, we do them, especially mga carburetor types. We do customization also, and they're not into it. It's not hard really. If you just have the passion, you just have the creativity. You let us know what's on your mind, then we'll search it and then we'll make it happen.
So napansin ko dito, meron kayo yung parang bukas na engine. Para saan to?
Well, basically it's a model structure na ginawa kong lampshade. But initially, the objective of this one is to educate our customer on the things that are needed to be done sa motorcycle nila. Well, a lot of them kasi, I heard from customers na maingay yung makina, but then someone will just say to them na, ano yan, kailangan palitan natin yung piston, whatever. And then, this is my only way, my only chance for them to be educated also dun sa mga parts ng motorcycle. That's why what I made is a cutaway view of a motorcycle engine so that they would also learn about it, and then moving forward, pagka nasa ibang shop sila at nagkaroon sila ng chance na magpagawa at nag-breakdown ng motorcycle nila, they would have the idea on how the motorcycle
So kompleto rin kayo ng mga motor oils.
Yes, we do have, we do cater some motor oils, the preference ng ating customer. We also do have some cutaway view of the engine parts so that, again, it's one purpose of it is to educate the customer also. Not just to have their bike be built, but also maintindihan nila also kung ano yung mga parts na kailangan nila. Moving forward, malalaman nila yan kung may mag-breakdown, at least alam nila kung what part it is na kailangan palitan.
Sunod naman, pakita natin sa kanila kung ano yung mga naging upgrades or customizations na ginawa kay road sector. So guys, ito sa road sector, bagong-bago, napakaganda, napaka-forma. And ito ang involved sa modification, Sir Nat. So Sir Nat, ano yung mga naging customizations na ginawa mo and fixes kay road sector?
Okay. Kay road sector, what I did here is that before, meron tayong busted headlight due to what have occurred before na nagkaroon ng problema. So what I did is I just made a replacement. It's a fluted lens, as you can see.
Sir Nat, ano meron sa fluted lens?
Fluted lens, nakikita mo yung mga guhit-guhit ng mga lens. In the old school, ito yung mga nagbibigay ng safety sa road. Hindi siya basta-basta nakakasilaw agad-agad. Unlike ng mga rear lenses, once na nag-up yung headlights na into high beam, walang nagdi-deflect, walang nag-slide ng ilaw into the direct order. Second to that, what I did is export ako ng tires dito. This is the best tire na size na pwedeng i-accommodate itong ating Kawasaki. So, basically, original pa rin yung ating ginagay. So, bolt-on performance pa rin lahat siya. Naka siya ngayon, battery operated na siya. So, may yellow siya at saka meron siyang high beam na white. It's a double purpose light simply because it can serve as a fog light already in the event na medyo maulan saka medyo hindi clear yung road, yung path natin. You can use this one penetrate yan sa fog. So with the other one, that's for the basic road lang, like pagkagabi mas maliwanag siya. Then ilaw niya.
So yun, steady guys, pansin nyo kahit hindi yung makina, hindi siya mahina, hindi siya nagde-depend sa
sa rev ng engine.
Stable siya, hindi siya nagpa-flicker. Ayun guys.
Basically, if you would see the bike, it's all original, factory installed. Factory pa rin lahat siya, bolt-on lang yung mga ginawa natin modification sa kanya. So, original pa rin yung niya, makikita. So, I hope you like it.
Visit kayo guys dito sa Ruth Motorcycle Care Shop. Kita nyo, puli din gawa. And dedicated. Si Sir Nat ulit. Sir Nat, anong masasabi nyo sa mga kapwa riders?
Yeah, okay. I also would like to invite everybody dito sa Ruth Motorcycle Shop. It's open for a Bible study, for a discipleship group, so that all of us can go for a ride, tapos magkaroon tayo ng mga Bible sharing. So that's the main objective of this shop, is to really dedicate it to God. So siya nag-orchestrate na itong mga to. So I bring him back to God. So whatever ang ginagawa ko dito, whatever ang ma-invite ko dito ng tao, sinishare ko si God. Once more, I would like to invite everybody na nasa cluster ng Marikina, Pasig, and nearby areas to see the shop and basically ma-bless nyo pa dito. Please visit my Facebook page. It's Ruth Motorcycle Care Shop. It is located here at Marikina Heights, 58 Corner Dao, East Drive. So please do drop by so that we could customize your bike or even service your bike.
Thank you very much, Sir Nathaniel.
You're welcome. Thank you very much, Sir Joseph. Deactivate.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Hey guys, nga pala, alam ko tinatry nyo kumonect sa akin via social media. Kaya lang di kasi ako active sa Facebook.
mas active ako sa Instagram. So, try nyo na lang ako i-search sa Instagram. Lalagay ko sa description below. At least doon makakasagot ako kaagad. Salamat ulit. Activate!